literally how to make AI UGC ads in 2 minutes.
One a day, woman multivitamins has changed my life. Highly recommended.
Step 1, go on cookflow.com, link in the description, go to an app. Step 2, start new project. Step 3, input models, input image. I'll be using this product as an example, but it can be whatever product is yours, like whatever. Step 4, add GPT image 2, connect the input text and connect input image. Step 5, describe the image. For example, UGC Instagram influencer holding supplement bottle in her bedroom talking to camera. iPhone quality. That's all you need. Set resolution at least to 2K vertical and click generate. Okay, not bad. Next step, click generate video, click grok video, connect this image to video, new text, connect this here and type woman says what is this product called? 1A day woman multi 1A day woman multivitamins has changed. It changed my life. This is just an example, of course, like just a random example, but you can like come up with whatever you want. Also specify she is holding camera in hands selfie. Just to make sure like make 10 seconds, click generate. While generating, quick note, with Grok you can only generate up to 10 seconds, but what you can do is generate a bunch of images with this woman and this multivitamin. For example, connect this here, connect this second image here, connect new text like this and enter like next scene, whatever you need to be generating. And you can like, for example, generate even 1 minute UGC video if you want. Okay, we got the generation. Let's see.
One a day, woman multivitamins has changed my life. Highly recommended.
That's it. Congratulations, you generated your UGC. That's it. Thank you.